Hey y'all, HFS here. Today we have a Budweiser ceiling fan made by Sportscast from the early 2000s. This fan I bought off eBay about a year ago. Nice fan. I think this thing's 2001, I believe, or 99. I cannot remember. It's missing the decals. Ball globe. Came with the chains. Beautiful blades. Yep. Nothing wrong with this fan besides a bad wobble. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And this is the only one of my Sportscast fans that has not had the capacitor replaced, because those two have had new capacitors put in. This one's the last one on the list. And they've both been added with an extra larger capacitor for faster speeds, because this is a garage, and a garage will get hot. Alright, that's low. Let's go to medium. And here comes the wobbling. And that's why this thing doesn't get run much. Let's go ahead and turn it up to high before that thing kills me. It's still got a nasty wobble. And there's off. I don't usually like running this fan due to the wobble. I could balance it out. Like I said, I'm just lazy. But yeah. All in all, I really love the fan. Been wanting it for a long time. Finally got one. Of course, I had to line it up next to the whole line. I think I'm gonna switch the Budweiser with the Coke, so it'll be NASCAR, Budweiser, Coke, or switch the NASCAR with the Coke, so it'll be Budweiser or Coke, NASCAR, Budweiser. I don't know yet. We'll find out. And it looks like it's got a detachable leg kit, but that is not detachable. Same with the NASCAR. Coke hasn't integrated. It's a weird design how they did that one. That's all on them for that. And it looks like it stopped. Alright. See you guys next video.